Hello everyone. Hello. It's your one and only lady Joy. If you're not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Go and subscribe and hit the notification bell so that if I post more video, you will be the first person to know if you have subscribed here before. Thank you. God bless you. My people. Waiting my eyes see today. I don't know how to explain that, my people. I don't know how to explain am my people. When you go see some kind things, in fact, that is you go hold your head like this, I don't understand though. I first see that video where somebody first did that for me. I say no, I just I don't even look am because the video can't irritate me. I can't see another one again. They can't send another one for me again. I say what? Like seriously? What did our guests want use their body tongue to turn to? What did they want use their body to tongue to me? I don't understand, my people. If you now see this video, you now go shocked. That is a egg make go gas. When you go see video, may you see what the Gambia people they use our guests they do. Kokobiri, I say this guan our girls, my people. When I see them, I shocked. I say, So this kind of video really exist. This kind of people they exist. Our Nigerian girls. What did they? That is a now something that they use for. I don't know what to now they do, because I believe say if person know what they do, not feel do, not feel just sit down, make man just carry a full hand like this, a full hand. It could just they shook am inside your only pot. If they wallor if they shook am, if they wallor. I don't know what that man they find for inside though. The man they wallor if they wallor I say what did this man they find for inside this guy only pot? If you see the way this man they wallor the thing whether in the waiting they find for inside though, me I don't know. Whether the man they give them something, me they don't know what that they do. Me, I don't know my people. Because I believe say somebody with a clear eye, not for you sit down, me ma carry a full hand. Put for inside make us. They wallor am. I look and say no. That one, I'm not sure say na really that is. I'm not sure say na ordinary eye. I the reason my people. What do you think? Me the reason I say they don't know what that they do. Because person will know what they do. You know, if you just sit down with a clear eye, make somebody just this wallor they wallor inside your only pot. If you not see this video, if not be say YouTube, person not put all those kind of video. If not have put them on and see them. Me, you see the way this guy, this man, they wallor the guy go just that is I don't understand. I be me the reason I say I be this man get what they use this thing they do. I be this man. If they use this thing they do another thing, I be this man. If they maybe he get because they say Gambia people they do jazz die. Who know whether this man they use this thing till they look for power. Then you can't after you don't do all those things finish, you can't go they shake people, they go for road. If you shake them now, if you from there take their luck, maybe that what they say me they do because this will not be first time when this man don't do this thing. This will not be first time. This one at the second time when they see this thing now. Who know the one we they do before? Now let the one with the video now we see now. When I see him, I shocked her eyes. I shock. I say, hey, the thing just the week me since yesterday. I say, God, I don't feel look this thing. Because if they irritate person now. How can somebody could just sit down, you go say now, you could just begin the tear gas, when they open their leg down, you could begin the wallor inside their only pot, they wallor up. Me don't know what this man they look for, my people. I don't know what they look for. A Russian day inside there, be me, I don't understand though. Oh, when I get wallor never yoni. What the person don't wallor like that now, my people. If man can't carry John Thomas now one enter inside that kind of person now only pot now. That one not be erosion. That one erosion now. The man not go feel the girl not go even feel like whether anything there inside because the door vandalize the only pot the man don't use the hand take vandalize them. It don't open down because that kind of one now Now once John Thomas go to enter inside, because if he enter, you know go even. In fact, even the vehicle, all of them go enter journal, because I don't see any that because that one not go close again. It don't go close again. So that kind of one now, John Thomas go draw that once now. Now once he go just stay with vehicle everything. Oh wa way. Eh? Me I no understand our guess, eh? Since you another one again with the system again with the two girls just begin the video where they share, they go for everywhere. They say they want to show somebody a body, they want to show this. So but now just this the video don't say that one, don't say where it happen. That one are just two girls. They begin they shook this rubber John Thomas. They shook him for the girl wear him. The other one climb him. They do him like say na man they jogodo with. You know. I said, what you gonna they worry our guests? What you gonna they worry them? Now this one would that come they even tire me pass. How can somebody go just sit down? This bag go say make una sit down, make it a wallow inside una only pot. You go the wallow am, and that only pot now you go take born tomorrow. That only pot now, if man can't enter inside now, you go still feel anything. You not go feel anything again because they don't already wallow inside finish. I don't know what the man want wall up for his side. I don't know what he want break come out for his side. Me don't know whether he want destroy your womb with this. I mean, I don't know. What did this man define for his side somebody make us now when you go begin the shook all you full hand for his side. I never see this kind of thing before. Not way person not go see. I be now enter be this one. I be what's going to happen for this world now, my people? What's going to happen? What's going to happen? What did they wrong with our girls now? We be saying what they can they do now? I not just understand. I'm not understand at all because the thing it irritate person, my people. I not just know what can they happen The thing it shocktalize person. You know where that is when you get so this way you go see sleep self you not go feel sleep. You go they reason the thing, they reason and say, now you might be this one. Now you might be this one. What did they happen? What did they happen, my people? What did they happen? What did they happen when our girls go just sit down? Now to just begin they open their leg for Gambia men. Gambia go just they shoot count for inside their only pots. Why they not they do am to their girls? We be saying our Nigeria girls they come they do am to. We be saying our Nigeria girls, small girls for that matter. Which money this man want give una? We go make una ever do this kind of thing. Which money you they look for? We be say you not come fit stay again. You can say na what you want they do now be this one. What you they look for? What you they look for, my people? Which money this man want give you now? When you not go make it by yourself. When you just open your leg, make this man they show a full hand for inside. My people, if you not see video, I will shock the lies. And I will know what to make me they angry like this. When you go see video, I don't just understand though. I don't really like the thing if they read it like it they surprise me. But I guess why is their body tongue to? Or the name of money. How much this man want give you? When you go your feel pull your leg like that. My God. I mean me va bon. So you go just sit down. You go just open your leg. This man, if you need to see what this man they do, This man go just they wallow inside the only pot. You could just shook him. You know they even remove him. You could just they wallow the thing, What those guys know what they do? This man they use something for them. Where they don't know what they do. When they do all those kind of things. Me no understand. Because when what me they reason say those girls don't know what they do, because who know what they do not fit just sit down. Me man, they should call you full hand inside a yoni pot. Eh? The thing they tire me really, my people. Una need to see this video. Una go understand what they talk about. I fear will not fear that man. I fear will not fear him. Only God know what you they use that thing they do. We be say you don't be only this will not be once, will not be twice. Like seriously, only God now go help us for waiting some all those men. What una they do to our girls? Now only God now go ask una. Really, only God now go ask una for what una they do. How can somebody go just sit down? He go just open his full leg. This man go just the shooky in hand. He go the walloram. Me not know wetin they find. Wetin you want bring come out for inside the only pot. When the man go the job put the walloram, because me man you understand it. What did this man they find for inside? God pass you or this man. You won't just fool your body really. Our girls, please, Mona, they careful. Mona, they careful because I don't know money Mona they look for. I don't know what Mona they look for. When una go just sit down, say na to come the open una only pot for this kind of man. Eh? Only God just know. Because like the reason I say, that this man they use something for them, they don't know what they do. Now go make somebody just sit down. You go say he want call open his leg because this man that they put something for their drink, they don't know what they do before they come allow the man they do that kind of thing to them. Because I believe say this man and maybe they give them money, big money. After I don't give them, the other one comes to tell you frame me go. Because they not go reach our girls, no say some of them. Their eye, it's here reach ear. If they don't they use ear, they hear money. So maybe the man and adopted don't promise that one way fair do. You don't give them a big money. So don't say tell your friend, me friend still come to me, come see try. If it be, so they do and they go. And they're not gonna say the man they video them. Because of the set camera. They feel even know they're not gonna care because they need money. God he pass for now really. He pass for now. Mona one year. Mona take a easy, our girls. Take it easy. This money now small money they find out. So that may not hang for your throat. Small. 1 year. Small. And they find money. You go come. Eh? And people, if you need the video, just private shout me, then I will send the video for you because I don't put the video for here. And I understand now the rules with the YouTube, so I don't put them for here. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. I remain your one and only Lady J. So anything you think about this video, just leave your comments for the comment section. What did this our sister they do? If they do away or they do away, so let me know. And if you like this video, give the video a thumbs up and continue to subscribe and continue to share my video. Please, if you are not subscribed, please go and subscribe so that you'll be hearing more news like this, more topics, because you'll see they learn. You'll see the channel and give your sisters, so you know say you get sisters for her. So in the way you see no say if they talk to her, not the year word, you they send and give her. Say see what people they do so that make she dey careful. That make when I'm supposed to they listing from the starting to the end so that you go understand what this video, what this topic mean. And if you need the video, just my number there, my YouTube there. So just find my number, add me for WhatsApp, then I will send the video for you. So thank you everybody. Take care till I come your way next time. I remember your girl, your sister, your friend, your everything. Bye everybody. Bye.